Hey beloved girls, Arena, welcome to my workstation. Just you guys are doing well and happy Valentine to each and every one of you. Today we'll be making a body concentrate, a body serum. But the difference between this body serum is that you can apply it directly to your skin. And I'm going to be showing you guys the kind of emulsifier we'll be using for this recipe. We'll be using Simulgreen 18-2. This is a kind of lightweight emulsifier that binds water and oil together and yet gives it a very good consistency. Now I'm just in a separate beaker, I'm putting in my oil and I'm also measuring in my emulsifier that we'll be using to combine the water phase and the oil phase. So what I'm going to do is to put this over a double boiler system, get the emulsifier to dissolve, as in melt down. And right now I'm just measuring out my actives. I've measured out my Allantion. Allantion went into that beaker, and the next thing I'm measuring out right now is my silk peptide. This more like a protein. You can decide to use oatmeal protein. It depends on what you have available. In a separate beaker, I measured out the amount of water that I'll be needing. I'll be leaving the recipe under the description box. Should you want to make yours, you can just follow the process. So that water was already pre-boiled and I used it to melt down my Allantion and my silk peptide protein. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going with my sodium lactate, and I'm measuring up my sodium lactate there to incorporate it. Now, that there are different ways you can actually do this. You can decide to do it side by side while you put your water phase alongside with your oil phase. Depends on what you want to do. So right now I'm going in with my Peopanediol 1-3 into that beaker, and I'm just trying to measure it out with my pipette because I don't want to have extra drops in it because I'm just following a template. So you just want to incorporate it nicely and make sure that everything dissolves properly. I'm going with my Panthenol, and the Panthenol that I'm using here, it's quite thick. It's a German spec. I went in with that and I incorporated it very well. So what I'm doing right now is to add my aloe vera juice. You can decide to use any hydrosol of your choice. I'm using aloe vera here. It helps to soothe the skin and help skin that tends to get irritated easily. So right now what I'm doing is to I checked the temperature and it has dropped to about 33 degrees, and I'm going with my whitening active. I added my vitamin C there, and I'm going also in with my Bromalin extract. So feel free to do whatever active that you want depending on what the skin needs. So I'm going with my Dimethicone here, and I'm incorporating all together to make sure that everything incorporates very well. I'm going with my alpha tocopherol here, and I'm just going to put that in and stir it very well. So what I'm doing is to measure out the rest of the oil phase. The reason why I separated this oil phase is because olive squalene, it's quite heat sensitive, and I also incorporated my raspberry oil, and this gave this serum the beautiful fragrance that the raspberry comes with. So I didn't incorporate any kind of fragrance to this formula, and I brought down the oil phase, and I'm going to use my stick blender to create an emulsion. And there's like a lightweight emulsion. It's pretty it looks super good and super dope. So I just went in with my preservative and incorporated my preservative into it, and voila, that's it. That's how you make your concentrate that you buy in the market, that you incorporate in your creams. But this is a safe concentrate that you can, it's a body serum that you can apply directly to your skin. For those that don't want that don't like to use creams in the morning, they feel so heavy, they feel so sticky with creams, this is lightweight, it's water-based, and it does moisturize the skin and leaves you with an excellent glow. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it is on the skin. So you want to try this out. Let me know what you feel about this video. If you enjoyed it, kindly give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Until I come your way again, I remain your favorite girl, Serena. Keep that glow pumping, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys, and do have a lovely day.